mount up.
Spray this all over the kitchen. Dr. Pepper and on ice. One of my favorite. Hey everybody, Lewis here. Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today we're going to try something. We're going to do burn ends, but not what you think of. So, I was at Costco and I picked these up. These are Hills Bistro smoked beef brisket burn ends. Oh, that doesn't show up very well, does it? See if I get it up close here. See what it does. Lighting. Let me shut that off. See if this comes in better. There we are. Mission Creek burn ends from Costco. Now, you can do these on the oven. You can do them in the microwave. But we're actually going to put these on the Rshackbbq pellet grill. And we'll see what they come out like. We're going to set the Rshackbbq at 350. And we're going to let them go for 25-30 minutes. And then we're going to add the sauce. So, let me tell you what I think of Costco burnt ends. So we need to get the old Rshackbbq pellet grill fired up here. So we're heading out to the Rshack testing facility. Let's get her open up. All right. Let's get you set up here. Check our pellet condition. Oh yeah, we're a little bit low. So let's add some more kitty litter here. Actually, this is what I store my pellets in. Wash this out during the summer. Put pellets in it. Seals up nicely. All right. Close that up. Open this. Got her plugged in. Turn her on. All right. Just let her come up to temp, and then we'll get that beef brisket burn ends on here. Out of the way. Cardboard out of the way. So that's what they look like. Let's read what you're supposed to do. Okay, what they say to do in the oven is to preheat your oven to 350. If we're going to have the Rshackbbq, we're going to kick it up to, I think we're only going to do 300. And then it says to put them in a baking pan. Well, we're going to do them just like regular burn ends. We're going to put them in this aluminum pan, like so. Spread them out. So there's like 6 or 7 of them in here, like so. Get that spread out a little bit. Looks like there might be 2. Yeah. All right, something like that. And then it comes with a barbecue sauce here. This is all thawed. So we're just gonna pour this over the top of it all, like so. What do you think? You think this is gonna be good? I don't know. I just don't know. Okay. And they say put aluminum foil over it, which we're going to do just like we would with any burnt ends. Get a chunk of aluminum foil here. Like so. So we got these ready. Let's go get the Rshackbbq already. Grill's up to temp, so let's get these on here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna let them go for 15 minutes, and then we'll pull them and see what they look like. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's go get our burnt ends. All right, let's get them. What? These are my wife's. Don't judge. There we go. Let's take it in the house and see what we got going on. Yeah, it's cold out here. You can see my breath. All right, let's take a look at these. There they are. They look like burnt ends. Let's see here how tender they are. Let's try this one. Yeah. There we go. Look at there. Yeah, let's get in here and take a bite. Pretty authentic looking there. That's cool. Okay, so let's get in here and sample this. Beef brisket, burnt ends from Costco. So these are Mission Hill Bistro smoked beef brisket, USDA choice. Let's try it. Not bad. Oh yeah. Okay. Not bad at all. Not so much of a smoke flavor, a little bit, but that barbecue sauce is pretty sweet that they have on there, but it's delicious. I'm gonna tell you, it's delicious. The beef, honestly, almost tastes like it came out of a slow cooker, like a crock pot or something, but it's fully cooked, and like they say, ready in as few as 5 minutes. So it's delicious, and if you're craving barbecue and you can't go out and fire up your smoker and spend 10 to 15 to 20 hours creating these, this is a nice, simple, quick way to do it. These here can be done in the microwave. They can be done on the stovetop. They can be done in the oven. They can be done in an air fryer. Or, like I did, I threw them on the pellet grill. And they came out great. So the way I did it on the pellet grill is I set it at 300 and I let it go for a half hour. I checked them after 15 minutes and they weren't quite hot enough. So I let them go another 15 and they came out very, very delicious. What I'm going to do is here soon I'll do burnt ends the way that I normally do them, off a brisket and then slow smoke them. And then we'll kind of do a comparison what I think. But these are delicious. I'm not going to say they're not bad. They are delicious. I'm going to enjoy these. And it's a quick, easy way to do it. So, like I say, my friends, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Until next time, grill on, even if it's store-bought.